Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel if you are new on our YouTube channel for more latest technology updates. So today's my topic is very interesting. I'm going to tell you about how to earn from blogging. How you can earn from blogging. So first of all, I will tell you what is blogging. A blog is derived from the short form of web blog. It is an online journal where people can share their experiences or share information with other readers on any topic. Blogs allow the owners to post a reversed chronological order. New posts first appear at the top while the oldest posts are the bottom. To write a blog, you must understand these things. Understand your audience, and the second thing is create your blog domain. You must have your blog domain. Now customize your blog's theme. Identify your first blog post's topic. Come up with a working title. Next thing is write an intro and make it a completing. Organize your content in an outline. Write your blog post. These are the things you must understand while writing your blog post first time. Now I will tell you about difference between blog and website. Most people confuse in this phenomenon. First of all, the only real difference between a blog and other types of website is that blogs are updated on a regular basis with the content which is displayed in reverse chronological order. New blog post first. Typical websites are static in nature where content is organized in pages and they are not updated frequently. So next thing, now I will tell you about how to earn from blogging. I have told you about what is blogging and how to do it. Now I will tell you about how to earn from blogging. Once you have got your blog up and running, you can finally start looking into ways to make a profit from it. You can earn money from it. You can earn handsome amount from blogging. First thing is use affiliate marketing on your blog. Use affiliate marketing on your blog. Affiliate marketing works by adding direct affiliate links into the text of your blog. You can make a small commission every time a reader clicks through site you recommend and makes a purchase. The link will lead readers to the website of a brand and the money. Affiliate marketing is a natural fit for many bloggers, as a writer Sari Jones suggested in his quote. As a blogger, you are always recommending products and services to your readers. A lot of companies offer affiliate programs, so it's really easy to find relevant programs to join and start earning commission by promoting their products. Next thing is add banner adverts to your website by advertising banner ads into your website as a more visual way of advertising. You can sell banner advertising space on your blog page to the brands that relate to your readers. Adverts can be placed anywhere, but they are commonly found across the top of blog posts or blog pages or in the sidebar. You can earn income in one of two ways. CPC, cost per click, means you will get a set of payment for every reader who looks the advert, while CPM, cost per thousand, means you will negotiate a set payment for every 1,000 impressions and gets. With the growth of ad blocker plugin, the CPC and CPM can be low, but it depends on your industry and there is little harm in trying them out. A quick way to get started in creating an account with Google AdSense. Next thing is write advertorials and sponsored content. According to bloggers who spoke to, one of the best way of monetizing a blog is through offering sponsored content opportunities or advertorials. These are essentially adverts in the form of paid for an article or a blog post. Next thing is, as an example, if Adidas brings out a new swimwear, line and you have a blog on women's sportswear, they might offer to pay you to write an article about their range. You may also be enabled to some affiliate links on top. This monetization method usually works best when you have a strong niche audience. Once you have growth your leadership, brands will often approach you discuss their most. Charge for sponsored social media posts. If you have a strong social media presence, you will be very attractive to brands. Some people actually make their entire blogging income through sponsored posts on social media. You can change per post repost and the fees can be high surprisingly high, and you will just have to work hard on building your followers. Write your Write guest blog posts for media outlets. Occasionally, members of the press or even brands who have a blog of their own will reach out to you if you are an authority on a certain topic, asking you to make a little cameo appearance on their website. If you are particularly knowledgeable on cooking on a budget, then you can earn from it just writing guest blog post. And for example, a newspaper might get in touch and ask you to contribute some budget friendly recipes to their cooking magazine. Don't be shy in pitching ideas to publications either. If editor don't know who you are, a quick email is a great way of getting blog's name out there. This is the best thing you can use. And next is work with an agency to build your blog. Believe it or not, blogging has become so popular in the advertising world that there are now agencies exclusively created to promoting bloggers to big brands. But you will need to have a pretty decent following to be scooped up in the first place. Agency fees are also incredibly high, meaning only the biggest brands will be able to afford to work with you, and smaller independent ones will be scared off depending on the kind of blog business you are aiming for. This may or not work to your advantage. To use the example of ethical fashion blogging again, agency fees might prevent you from working with the small independent designers you really want to promote. So you should apply these things to earn passive income. Thanks for watching our video, and kindly subscribe our YouTube channel if you want more related videos like this.